Oh, is that Jambo?
What is that stage for us? Kicking up cold mirrors. Yeah, we could be superstars.
Yo, it's your boy Kashout. We here with Tay, Juice, man. Feel me? Tell me about yourself, brother, and what you got going.
Selling lemonade, man. Alkaline water and real fruit. Best lemonade in the city. Got all flavors, special fruit, strawberry, kiwi, grape, peach, lemon, blue raspberry. All day, every day, lemonade.
Tell them where they can find you, bro, and how to get in contact with you.
Instagram, Facebook, everything. Snapchat, everything is Juice Man Time. Look for me, Juice Man Time.
Get a couple of them juices off you too out there.
When I catch, I'm whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were tripping. We could have been superstars. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could have been superstars. Can't help it, now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were jacking cars? Now you better.
Yo, it's the HTG podcast. We live at the annual Bully Talk. We got my boy
Big bro on this motherfucker, straight out of Greenville, South Carolina. South Exotic.
Pop your shit, bro, and tell them about your business and what you got going.
Shit, man, you know we out here trying to do our thing, man. Goddamn, bring these micro exotics, Frenchies, a little bit of everything, man. Tap in.
Where they can find you at, my bro?
Greenville, South Carolina. Instagram, South Exotic.
I done went cages and stages of cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me.
Yo, it's your boy Kashout, HTG podcast. I got my boy Wild Hollis with me. You know what I'm saying? He the one brought us here together. Tell me about your business and what you got going on. What?
Tell him, right? Shit, it's Kaotic South, man. We out on that bully talk and no talk. Everything out, dog. It's all about the dogs. It's all about the people. And if you got it, man, I just want to see everybody come together with it. This little nigga, hey, listen, I can't even. I got the mic in this little.
We got
oh no, we on his ass. I can't even talk no more. This little nigga done walked up on me, man. I gotta. Hey, listen. Tell him. It's bully talk and no talk, ain't it? Hey, look.
Tell me how you came up with the idea, bro.
Man, we really, man, me and my dog came up with it, man. We out there really just trying to put the city together, you know, seeing how the movement going and everything like that. And when you got a name in it, you gotta stand on it and go ahead and move with it. So that's what we on. Like, we just really just trying to get it together. Out dog, everything like shit. This right here should be the beginning of everything, beginning to a lot for our city. So at the end of the day, if we stand on it, we can move this one and get it together. I'm telling you, like shit, we gonna make it happen.
We gonna make it happen. What you got going on? You can hold the mic.
Yo, come on, face. Let's show them. Come on, face. Yo, this is my girl North Face right here. You see her? Stay face. Stay face. Her face. You on here? Stay face. North Face. This is my girl North Face right here. 6 months. 6 months. She ain't getting too much bigger. She ain't going nowhere.
Man, y'all see us, man. We with Wild Hollis, man, the man who put all this together, man. Y'all need to follow him. Tell him where to follow you at, bro. Contact name.
Kaotic South on all platforms. Kaotic South on all platforms. Kaotic Hollis, Kaotic South. You're going to see it. That's the only thing. Kaotic South.
Yeah, show him how he brought us together, man. You know what I'm saying? Big wild, man. Appreciate it, bro, for inviting us and having us here. You feel me? We with it.
Cut up my bitch, cut up my wrist, cut up my bitch.
Yo, it's your boy Kashout. We live at the annual Bully Talk, Gower Park, Greenville, South Carolina. I got my boy Bishop with me. He got his dog. He gonna tell you about what he got going.
Miss Twinkie, man, that's her name, man. Follow on goddamn IG at GBC/Miss Twinkie. You know what I'm saying? Gator baby count. You know what I mean? We coming to her. She ain't number 5 months. You know what I mean? She a chocolate lilac Merle. You know what I mean?
They do it good too, boy.
She a Marco. She come off Big Twix.
Big Twix.
Yeah.
Okay, shit, bro. We was just got down there. You pop your shit. You feel me?
I appreciate it.
You know what I'm saying? Live on the HTG with my boy Bishop.
Miami, the ass fat. Nigga wanna my bitch, cut on my wrist.
Yo, we live. Gower Park with my boy Decatur. He got his dogs with him. Talk to him, brother.
Yo, shit.
Name of the dog.
It's my boy Major right here. And my girl Sasha, you know what I'm saying? 15 months, 14 months.
What they mix with? They different breeds.
That's Versace, man. The Versace bloodline.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? She going in heat right now, at any moment right now. You know.
What's your price when you get them in heat? What you doing?
These right here probably gonna be running 35, 3,000. Like that. You know, less. Don't kill nobody.
What's the name of your camp you gonna call them?
No handout bullets. Yeah.
You heard it right here. No handout bullets. Get at my boy Decatur. You feel me? And it's up.
Baby girl, I'm exhausted. Baby, cautious. Know the streets be talking.
Yo, it's your boy Kashout with the HCD podcast. Live at Greenville, South Carolina at Gower Park at the annual Bully Talk. We got my people.
Cash, bro. Don.
Wanna say your name, bro? Jay, you feel me? Tell them about y'all breed and name of y'all count and what y'all got going.
Cash Bruce Ken on IG, man. We just got good quality dogs, bro. Nothing more, nothing less, man. We like color, we like structure. You know what I'm saying? We just here to take over, man. Produce some nice dogs.
Get at my boy for the studs. You know what I'm saying? My boy got the studs.
What's y'all prices on the studs?
So these two right here, they gonna open up at $1,500 paid in full, no, $1,250 paid in full, or $1,500 with a $500 deposit. For the first 5 on these two boys, I'm gonna open them up in 2 months from early lock-in.
Let's see, give me the Instagram and information where they can tap in and hit you.
Cash Bruce Ken on IG, Cash with a K, KASHBRUTEZ Ken.
Okay, shit, the HCD podcast, man, we live, man. We invite y'all, if y'all want to come kick it with us one day, y'all know y'all invited.
Just love.
Fuck with us. You too.
Got my racks up. Sit back, flip shit like an acrobat. Nigga, get the stacks up. Got 2 accounts, still got millions in my backup. All this cash. Sad thing is, money still won't buy love. Yeah. Where am I? 16. Really, where am I?